Good evening, everybody. Hi, we're group 2.
Hello!
Joke lang, hindi ito yun. Okay, may pasabot pa yan. Okay, tonight you will see a spectacular performance by our group. We will be performing songs from the movie Love Actually.
This movie shares with us the experience of looking for and finding love, and it's set during Christmas time. So let's go international, guys.
Yes!
So we have prepared something special for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Wait lang ha.
Next time.
Once the projector cooperates.
Yan.
Bestie. Oh, spectacular pa naman.
Wala pa si Basti.
Ayan.
Wala na si Basco.
Wala na po. Hindi na siya.
Baka may ginawa dyan, ha?
Ako sinasabotahin.
Sabotage.
Nothing you can say that can't be sung. Nothing you can say that you can learn how to play the game. It's easy. Nothing you can make that can't be. Nothing you can say that can't say. Nothing you can do that you can learn how to do. It's easy.
All you need is love, love. Sabi ko na nga ba may sayo na dito si Carla sa team na to eh. Nag-bed rest pa yan today. Pogi! Pacho! Two, three. Go Carla!
It's written in the wind. It's everything I go. So if you feel Christmas, come on and let it snow. You know I love Christmas hours when our hearts made up the way that I feel. There's no beginning, there'll be no end. It's a Christmas you can't depend.
Miss Gina capture sa video.
Oo nga.
Ikaw may banda, grabe. Ulit.